in the bold evolution of self-talk. This is the power of one, and it starts with your self-talk.
I choose my words with love today. What I say is shaping who I become. I am more than enough in every way, and I rise when I speak with the power of one. While you just sound picked up, but are you waiting on hope? Then it's the sound, the sound, the sound, the something in the mind. Just inside, something in the mind. Just inside, something in the mind.
The power of self-talk is the power to rewrite your story. You can be, do, have, change, create, or become anything. I believe in you. You can do this.
I am more than enough in every way, and I rise when I speak with the power of one. For you do stop, are you waiting on hope? Then it's the sound, the sound, the sound, the something in the mind. For you do stop, are you waiting on hope? Then it's the sound, the sound, the sound, the something in the mind.
It started with one phrase. Now look at you. You remembered who you are. You can do this, and you just did. The bold evolution of self-talk isn't a method. It's you finally believing.